trail tab. Normally I build trails. Today, I'm gonna build a bro bike. Step 1, get white girl buzz on a seltzer. Step 2, you gotta get the schmutz off the chain. It's like bubble gum in the top of your mullet. It's the worst ever. Ruins your whole drivetrain. Some warm water, dunk that chain, throw some citrus degreaser in there, stir it up, and let it sit. Save you a lot of hassle later having bubble gum all over your drivetrain. This bike right here is my dream bike. I love it. I'm actually building it for a trail called Top Gun. I built a trail and I built a bike that are gonna go in unison down the gnarliest, jankiest trail in SoCal. And so this build is an homage, an oath to my trail. I dig, I ride, and I party, but I don't do suspension. Suspension Elvis, please help me.
All right, so to get him out on the trails, we're gonna set up just a nice little bass tune. You're gonna go in one from the middle. So the grip 2 compression has 8 clicks. So we went 3 out, which is 1 stiffer than the middle. The low speed has 16 clicks, so we went 7. Out, always out from closed. The rebound, high speed rebound has 8 clicks, so we went 4 out, right in the middle. Low speed has 14, so we went 7 out, 1 back into 6. So you always go from the closed, just a nice little bass tune in the middle to get them out on the trails and start going from there.
Thanks, Elvis. Let's go rip.
Go rip.
Thanks for hanging out with us today and following along as I built this dream bike of mine. I've been thinking about this thing for a long time, finally put it all together. I'm in love with this bike. I'm sold on the Mullet combo, and I appreciate all the support from all the companies that help me out with getting the parts when you can't get parts right now. It's impossible. This bike's built for Top Gun Trail, which I'm currently working on, and I can't wait to give this thing a run down my Canada quality slab trail in Southern California. See you next time.